talking about Lewis.
She probably remembers.
Alright, so today's learning target says I can write. Let's all hope that this is true so far. An equation. And we should all be writing this.
So that we can prove that we can.
Yes. N. I'm a turtle. Slope. What word comes next? Intercept. Dude, at the beginning I said I didn't write it on the board. Form. Given. A point.
Given a point.
And
No, please. No.
A slope. No, not even a potato. That'd be crazy. Why would I give you a potato? Okay, so today I'm going to give you a point. I'm going to give you the slope, and we're going to write it in slope-intercept form.
There's no period.
There is. It's just like, but I will.
There's no period. That's
All right, so for A, our first point is going to be 2, 5, and our slope is going to be 7. Now, I know that was super fast. I mean, I need to slow down. I'm going at turtle speed over here. So the first thing I'm giving you is 2, 5, and a slope of 7. Now, what is a point? A coordinate. And what is a coordinate? I'm trying to move my stool and it's not working. I'm just struggling. What is it on the graph? How do we get to it? What's it called? X and Y. Yes. Take a point. Alright, so this is an X and this is our Y. Does everybody agree so far? Now, what are we writing in? Slope-intercept form. And what is slope-intercept form, Tater Tots? Look at us go. If you said y equals mx plus b, give your team a point. Okay, now, yesterday, and just like 30 seconds ago, well, probably longer than that with how long it took us to write the learning target, we plugged in the slope and the y-intercept, correct? Now, that meant that I gave you the slope and the y-intercept. What are we given this time? A point and a slope. We're given a point and a slope. What are we not given? So what are we going to have to find now? We're going to have to solve for b. Look at you go. Take a point.
Good job.
All right, so everybody start by writing y equals mx plus b right here. I know that we're going to write it 75 times until it sticks in your little brains.
Oh, my brain is not little. You can use it the next time. Insult to my intelligence.
Okay, Tater. All right, so now, we are not given b, but what are we given? X and y and slope, the m. So we're going to plug that information in. We're going to plug what we have here into here, and we're going to find b. Now, what is y? 5. Now remember, y and b are two different things. B is your y-intercept. Y is the y-coordinate. Those are two different things. Are we given the M?
Yes.
What's the M? Okay. Are we given the X?
Yes.
What's the X? Plus B. Does everybody see what I did so far? Have I rocked anybody's world?
No.
Okay.
We're trying to.
No.
Okay. Now, what is 7 times 2?
14.
That's 14, guys. Calm down. Alright, now, we need to get B by itself. How do we get rid of this 14? Subtract 14. Now, are we going to subtract 14 from the 5 or from the B? Why?
Because you have to get B by itself.
Yes, and this is a letter and that's a number and they don't go together. Alright, who can tell me what 5 minus 14 is besides Lexi? Manny?
-6.
5 minus 14. -9. Hallelujah. Thank you, Allie.
Hey, you got some good ears.
Thank you, Grandma. No, it's not, because what did the directions, what are we trying to do?
No.
Write an equation in what? Slope-intercept form. So this is our directions because Ms. Asbury went a little crazy and forgot to write those down. Sorry. So our directions are to write in slope-intercept form. We have our B, we have our slope. So we're going to write y equals what?
Y equals 7x
Minus 9. Take a point, Allie. Does everybody see where I got that from? I took my 7 from right here and my B from right here and I plugged it into slope-intercept form. And I'm going to write my directions at the top so that we know what we're doing instead of being a crazy person. Example 1. Write in slope-intercept form. Make sure you write the directions up there just so we have them. Can you unplug that hot glue gun? Thank you. Alright, are we ready for the next one? We're going to do one more together, then you're going to try one on your own. Is everybody ready?
How do you calculate?
Okay. Alright, so B. Mitchell, do you have anything else to turn into me?
Yes.
Huh? Okay. Are you going to take a picture of that stuff on the board to work? Okay, perfect. Alright, so we're going to do -4 and 6. And M is going to equal 2 this time, just for funsies. Do you need a pass? Okay. Alright, now what form are we writing it in? Slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. So everybody write it again. Y equals mx plus b. Why don't you write on your color sheet? Alright, now, we're given our point. What is our point? How do we write it?
6 equals 2.
And then just xy. Alright, so that's xy. Now, we're plugging all of this in over here. So what does y equal?
6.
Okay, what does m equal? Nope.
No, 2.
2. What does x equal?
-4. Okay.
And then plus b. Is everybody with me?
Yeah.
Are we sure?
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah, I was just itching real bad. Alright, now we do 2 times -4. What's 2 times -4? -8 plus b. All right, now how do we move that negative 8?
Subtract.
Adding, because it's a negative, so the opposite is add. Why did I not add 8 to the b?
Because you combine stuff.
Yes, and they're not like terms, correct? All right, so what's 6 plus 8?
17.
18. Was I right?
14, guys.
Thank you.
14.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, because to get to 10, you add 2, and then you have 4 left over, so that's 14. Are you sure? I just did 17 a minute ago. Don't guess. No, we're in math class. All right, now, are we done?
No.
No, we have to write in slope-intercept form. So who can tell me how to write in slope-intercept form? LJ. Yes, awesome. Give your team a point. Y equals 2x plus 14. Is everybody with me? Are we sure? Are you ready to do one without me? Let's do it. We know all the things.
Isn't your person Jessica, so Jessica Blair as
Mhm.
They ain't got a long name.
But you can just write Blair Asbury. So I got y equals 5x plus 14. What'd y'all get?
Y equals 5.
Same? Did everybody at the table get it right? Give your team a point. I feel like you should say that so violently. Don't feel like you should say that so violently.
Where was it? What'd you get?
He didn't do it. Alright, so I'm turning the paper because now we're going to talk about what happens if I give you a fraction as a slope.
Don't do it.
Get excited. Oh, I just write big.
I know you have to do. You gotta multiply. Don't.
No, you don't have to. It's going to be problem D.
I said no.
You still do it the same way, yeah.
I just told all.
Alright, so if you have room, just keep working down the page. I don't have room because I write giants. So if you have room, keep working down the page. Okay. No, I don't chew gum.
Yeah, because you say you like now.
You look like a cow chewing cud. Yes. 14 and 5, and our slope is 1/7. Now, you still do this the same way. But fractions are what? Division. So all we're going to do is divide. That's it. So there's no need to be afraid. No fear. Have no fear in your heart, children.
It's been a rain, hurry.
Yes.
Kind of scared.
Don't be. Alright, so y equals mx plus b. Everybody write that. We're writing it every single time. And then you're going to write x and y. Alright, what's our y value? 5. What's our m? 1/7. What's our x? Awesome. Plus b. Is everybody with me? Now, fractions are division. All you do is divide. You do 14 divided by 7. What's 14 divided by 7? 2. So 5 equals 2 plus b. Divide. Divide right here. Divide, divide, divide. Make yourself a note that says divide. Divide. Alright, now what do we do from here?
Oh, divide.
Subtract. And that's 3. Now, what do the directions tell us to do? What do we have to do?
Divide.
Write in slope-intercept form. So how would we write it?
Y equals 1/7 x plus 3.
That's it. That's all you do. Look at that.
Yep, that's what you do.
Isn't it exciting?
No.
It is.
It's not.
It's exciting. It's exciting.
It is to you.
Isn't it, Ethan?
You say so.
Yes. All right, you're trying one without me. Get excited.
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hmm?
I had thought you wrote it.
Oh, not yet.
Mommy, can you give me a break?
All right, so please do E without me. E without me.
Why?